Pricing procedure. Okay, so first one is
domestic pricing and import pricing.
yeah, that is there. So I'm writing the steps. Define
Okay.
access sequence. Second one is define condition types. Okay. Next one is define calculation schema.
Define schema group.
So in this one, schema group for vendor, schema group for purchase organization.
Define schema group, you missed it, right?
Yeah. So schema group in this one, you will find this too. Okay. Next is find schema determination, and we need to maintain the schema group too. Vendor master. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. The configuration path is SPR, reference IMG, material management, purchasing. Okay. So conditions. So in this condition here, define price determination process. Okay. So
Okay.
first one is define access sequence. Execute this one and come over here. Otherwise, I will select one of the vendor discount access sequence. Okay.
Okay.
Copy and create. Make it as a folder. Okay. Then click on save. Next is define condition type. So come over here and you can see different conditions. FRA1. Okay, FRA1, FRB1, FRC1. Some of the conditions is there. Just I'll copy one of the condition. Okay.
Okay.
So for example, I am thinking about the toll charges. Toll charges. Here, the toll condition is what kind of condition? It is a discount or it is a surcharge. Okay. So if you maintain discount and surcharge, you can maintain. And you want to add or you want to negate, you want to subtract. Okay. So plus means addition, minus
subtraction.
Subtraction. Okay. So if you want to add this amount to your gross price, then you need to maintain as a positive. Okay.
Okay.
So if you want to remove this one, I mean, you want to go for the subtraction, then you need to make it as a negative there. Okay. And next, go for the calculation type. So how you want to go for the calculation type? It is a percentage or it is a fixed amount or it is a quantity based. What kind of base rate?
Okay.
Okay. So if you want a percentage, you just select as a percentage. Okay. And what is a condition category? Okay. So condition category, like it is a delivery cost or tax, judiciary, insurance. Okay, cash discount, freight, whatever it may be. Okay. So we need to select as a condition category. Okay. Next is a rounding rule. So rounding rule means which can be maintained for you, round up the values.
Yeah.
Okay. And the structure condition we are not using. And in the group conditions, if you want to round off, differentiate if you want to round off, like for example, 10.55 is there, and you want to do the round off, then you can maintain this one. Okay. Changes which can be made. Okay. So this is the place where if you want to the condition, for example, toll charges is there. You want to toll charges at header level. Okay. Then you can maintain as a header condition. You want to maintain at item level, then you need to select the item conditions. Okay. And if you want to delete the condition type in the order level. So if you select this one, then only it will be delete. Okay. So if you not select and you try to delete this condition type in the purchase order, then system won't allow for you. Okay. So next is amount in percentage. Generally, we'll keep like this only, and you want to maintain for quantity conversion value. Okay, condition calculation type. So all those things we are maintaining this one.
Okay.
Okay. And so if you want a value level or condition calculation level, so you can use it this one.
Okay.
Next is if you want to expire this particular condition, so you can see valid from and valid to. So generally valid from is today's date, and valid to is you can put anything like you want to make it as a expired. Okay. So next is a pricing procedure. So pricing procedure is which kind of pricing procedure you want to trigger. Generally, so this one we are maintaining in the supplementary pricing conditions. Okay. And so if you go and see the scales, you can see the scales like value based scales. Okay. So generally, for example, the quantity is 0 to 100. Okay. If it is a 0 to 100, now I'll give a 10 rupees. Okay. I mean, for example, if you ordered a some items like a 10 kgs, until 10 kgs, it is a 10 rupees. Okay. So if you order more than 10 kgs, okay. So more than 10 kgs means what will happen? You take, then it is a 9 rupees.
Price reduced.
Okay, yeah, price reduced.
Okay.
Like until like 10 kgs to 100 kgs. But if you purchase more than 100 kgs, it is 8 rupees.
Oh.
Okay. So if that kind of conditions is there, then we are using the scales.
Okay, fine.
The concept of the scales is like that only. Okay. So next is a control data. So this is control data. One is like how you can change, edit, delete, and all those things. Okay. And control data 2 is like a currency conversion, quantity conversion, intercompany billing, exclusive indicators, accruals, all those things. You can check it over here. Okay. So next is a sales pricing. This can be used by the sales people. Okay. So now we define some of the toll condition. Okay, just remember. So next is a setup calculation schema. Okay. So this is a standard calculation procedure is there. Okay.
Okay.
Select this one. Click on it. Copy as. Okay. We will grade one fold. So now you have only three conditions. Okay. Now, if you want to add new condition, what you will do? Yesterday, last class we discussed
Last class.
step per counter condition type, all those things. Okay.
Okay.
So now I want to add my new condition. So what I'll do, I'll select this one, click on a copy.
Copy.
Okay. So I'll maintain this one. Okay, no, it is already saved. Okay.
Okay.
Select this one, go to control data. So you can see. So if you want this condition, okay. Yeah, what is this? In the cycling. Okay, so for example, now you want this total condition to be manually entry, then you need to select as this one. Okay, so if you want to maintain as a automatic, you need to select this one. Okay, and so it depends. It's you want a required entry. So for example, I'll make it as a required entry. Okay, and save it. So I'll maintain this one. So I'll make relevant for accounting. Okay, so now we define the calculation schema. Reference IMG, purchase order, condition, define pricing procedure. Okay, access sequence, condition type, calculation schema is done. Now we need to define a
Group.
schema group. Okay, so now we'll maintain FO is one of the schema. Okay, so click on enter, click on save. Okay, now I'll define a schema group for purchase organization. Okay. So once it is done, now I'll assign a schema group to standard purchase organization. So what is my standard purchase organization? FOD, right? So now I'm linking this standard purchase organization to schema group for purchase organization.
Okay.
Okay. Now I done this linking. Now I'll make it as a schema determination. Okay. So I'll go to here. Okay. I'll create a new schema. What is my schema group for vendor? Code. What is my schema? FO. What is my procedure? RM. FO. So now I maintain this one. Code, schema group, and this one.
The schema group for vendor will created or
No, we created no schema group for vendor.
okay.
Here we create.
In group itself created.
Yeah, FO.
Okay.
Here we create.
Okay, fine.
Now this schema group for vendor, we need to link in the vendor master.
Okay.
We'll go to BP. Okay, so what is my vendor? 370. Slash and BP. Okay. Select the financial rule.
Now we link you to vendor master.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So here schema group for supplier. Okay, so here we need to link
FO.
Okay, click on enter and click on save. Okay, so if you go to this condition, now you can see.
Okay, now it's linked.
Yeah, so if you see our analysis, see RM forward. This is our pricing procedure which will be got here. Okay, so if you want to maintain some price, you can maintain. Okay, so directly 120 rupees. Okay, actually you can also make it like a calculation and all those things.
Okay.
Okay, so now you don't have the total. The total also you can add in your pricing procedure. Okay, so how will you add total in your pricing procedure? So M by 08. So here we can put 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 1 to 3 means what? So whatever from 1 to 3, it will be added over here.
Okay.
Click on save. And what I'll do is, and if you want your total condition to be automatically come, so what we will do? Okay, slash n m by 06. Okay, we will go to toll, TOLL. Okay, select this one, go to details. Okay, and maintain your access sequences FORD. Okay, maintain this one. Then come to slash n MEK1. This your condition toll. Okay. So come to vendor, like one of the access sequence will maintain. What is my vendor? 3701. If this vendor is there, how much I want? I want a 10 amount. 10 rupees should become automatically. Correct. Okay. So this is like access sequence is a thing. Then I'll select as a carry out mass changes. Okay. So we'll save this video and we'll create one more table. So now you can see the toll charges is come automatically. So if you want to any condition to be automatically come, then we will maintain as a access sequence and we will maintain the condition record. So if you maintain this condition record, what will happen? The condition will be picked automatically over here.
Okay.
Okay. So that is about how the pricing procedure will be work over here. Okay. So this is like simple what we discussed, but when we go for the implementations, we need to consider all the conditions, not only tool. There is a different conditions, different processes. Okay. So we need to make it as a how the pricing procedure, like how the standard process will be look like. Okay. So once we define this one, it should be applicable for the all the pricing procedures. So not all the pricing procedures, all the processes. So that way we need to make it. Okay.
So much of codes.
Yeah, still 50% is there. And this is like we covered major portion, which means we have the configurations. Okay. Now sourcing is done. Now we have the only inventory. Inventory, we have all the transactions. If you are like this part is you are clear, then we can wind up in next 2 weeks.